naman natin ang mga ulat sa Malacanang. Kasama natin si Elena Luna na nag-uulat mula roon. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Elena.
Magandang hapon, Habiba. Tiniyak ng palasyo ang kahandaan ng mga ahensya ng pamahalaan sa pagpasok ng bagong bagyo ngayong taon. Tiniyak ito ni Presidential Spokesperson Edwin Lacierda nang tanungin sa direktiba ni Pangulong Aquino.
The NDRMC is on top of it. We're doing, the DSW has already been informed. We're on, again, our standard SOP is to provide identify areas that will be hit by the path of the LPA, and so we have pre-positioned goods already in those areas, and also the local government units have already been warned. I think our level of preparedness has improved, and the local government officials are more than aware of what they need to do in times of storms.
Sa press con din kanina ni Secretary Lacierda, sinabi niya na maganda ang ginawa ng mga tutos sa Reproductive Health Law na maghain ng petisyon sa Korte Suprema. Ayon sa kalihim, dahil dito magagawang ipagtanggol ng gobyerno ang nilagdaang batas ni Pangulong Aquino.
Umakyat na sila sa Supreme Court. Alam naman natin na yun po ay, that was expected from our friends who were opposing the RH law. Now that it is before the Supreme Court, the government through the OSG will be prepared to defend the RH law. And the contention that was raised by Mr. James Indong is not something new. It has already been raised during the debate. So we'll just wait for the order coming from the Supreme Court to ask us to comment.
Ngayong araw, Habiba, ay nasa palasyo lamang si Pangulong Aquino at naging abala sa meeting. 10 a.m. nagsimula ang meeting nila ni Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr. 2 p.m. naman magsisimula ang kanyang meeting kasama ang mga taga-presidential na. At yan ang ating balita mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako si Elena Luna para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.